What we're going to deal with today in calling our house to order, I'm not going to tell you don't marry. I'm going to tell you how not to marry a fool. I want everybody to know this message is for you. It's for, check this out. First of all teens and those unmarried to know what to look for in a date. If your date is a fool, you don't need to date them. Just don't even go down there. You know they are a fool. Don't date them. If they're the bad boy, the bad girl, don't date them. Don't date them. If you know what his job is to go out there and he is known as a player, don't think you can tame him. Let him go. If you know she done been with the whole football team, don't date her. Let her go. I mean, you know this about folk, you already know it. Don't go that way. You don't want nothing like that at home. You marry him, you bring him in the house. You don't know if he been a player before he got married, he a player after he got married. And if she was out there with the team when you marry, you better watch out because she'll find somebody else. Don't marry no fool. This is for the teens. I want that to be known as for the teens and all those that are unmarried. So you need to know that. Now, the next thing is also for the married couples. Now, married couples going to ask the question and say, well, what about us? This is for you to understand God's word to make marriage better. What about those of us that are married to fools? This is for you, too. God has a way that he can deal with a fool. And I want you to understand, God has dealt with fools ever since he's been God. And there are plenty of fools that are still in the world. There are fools out there easy for the picking. You can find your fool. And if you've already married one, you might have married one, you didn't know they was a fool until you got them home. And you say, this thing is a fool. I'm going to tell you how to deal with a fool in the house, what to do when you got a fool in the house, okay?